How to connect Zendrop to WooCommerce. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect our Zendrop over here together with our WooCommerce so that we will be able to have a dropshipping business model where we could use Zendrop as a source of products using its different features such as these, as you can see, and be able to have a dropshipping business using WordPress and its WooCommerce over here, the WooCommerce feature, to be able to sell the store. If you don't know, WordPress actually is used and utilized in majority of the websites that you're seeing in the internet. There's a high chance that whatever website that you're looking at, it's actually built using WordPress. And it's a really great platform, especially if you're trying to create a store using WooCommerce because of the vast amount of creativity that you could put into when you're customizing your store and lots of other things. And so, to be able to connect Zendrop and WooCommerce together, you're actually going to have to do it inside of WordPress over here, or WooCommerce. Because in Zendrop, when you're trying to connect a store, there's only a few options such as Shopee or Shopify and TikTok. So you might be confused or you might think that you're not able to connect Zendrop and WordPress together or WooCommerce because it doesn't really show it inside of Zendrop. But you can actually do it inside of a WooCommerce or WordPress over here by navigating to our plugins over here. Click on plugins, and over here, this is where you will be able to view all kinds of plugins that are currently installed in your website. And if you want to integrate something together with WordPress, whether it's for security, additional functionality, basically anything to build your website, it is through plugins that you will be able to modify and add those things. So let's click on Add New Plugin. So like I mentioned, if you want to integrate something together with WordPress, you're going to have to add plugins. And so simply search for Zendrop, click on Enter, and we will be able to see here that we have a Zendrop application or plugin that we could actually use. There's right now 5 stars, and there's over 500 active installations. Although this is a bit untested or not updated, and the last update was 2 years ago. But let's view the information over here. So with this plugin, it will allow us to import products from Zendrop to our WooCommerce store. Very straightforward, very easy. We will be able to sync orders from WooCommerce to Zendrop, so we will be able to manage our orders through our Zendrop over here, through the features of orders over here, or you could also manage it directly inside of your WordPress or your WooCommerce. You could also receive tracking numbers from Zendrop to your WooCommerce store automatically, so that's a really great feature. So there's a lot of information over here that you could check out. We could check out the installation process over here, FAQ, channel log, screenshots, reviews, stuff like that. As you can see, we have a review here from 2023 over here. So let's click on Install Now over here. And as you can see, it's installing. You can also see compatibility over here and other relevant information. We have the version 1, then you have last updated, requires 4.5 or higher. It's compatible up to 6.1.7 version of our WordPress. I'm not sure what version I'm currently using, but let's click on Activate. And we will be able to activate our Zendrop over here, as you can see. Now, if you check over here on the left side, we have plugins, and now we have Zendrop. If you click on Zendrop, you simply click on Connect. There we go. Connector installed successfully. Now we have to log into your Zendrop account. Although I already have one, so I guess I have to unconnect it, or I have to change my account. Let me log out. And let's create an account. So let's sign up. And let me just sign up over here. Just really quickly. And let's use a random email that we're not using. Give it a second. Let's see, what account are we not using? Create account, continue. And now we're back at Zendrop. So let's try it again. Connect a store banner, select WordPress. We're here. Choose another platform. And there should be an option over here. Let's try it. Click funnels over here. I guess we're missing the option for WordPress, as you can see. It should be present over here. But for you guys, you can check if it's going to be available. But supposedly, hopefully, it should be available. But we have our 3 main platforms over here. So anyway, before I continue, let's now show you the different features that we would have with our Zendrop. So we can click on Find Products over here. And this is where you will be able to find your different products that you have that you could import into your Zendrop, as you can see. And you could also, through here, you could click on Add to My Products, which will then transfer into our WordPress over here or our Woocommerce. Now, in case the WordPress or this method that we showed you does not work for you guys, where it doesn't really show, what we could do is actually, we could use a third party where you use Shopify instead. So let's click on plugins once again, add new plugin. And what you could do is you could search Shopify instead. So over here, there's no plugin for Shopify, I guess. But I hope the one that you are using then, the Zendrop over here, works for you guys, where this option would be available, or like the option that we saw earlier, this one, the WordPress option. Then you could just simply provide your store key and the connection will be established, and then we will be able to import and have an automated fulfillment. There's also different questions over here that you could have. You could contact support team if you like, which will allow you, or which will help you guys. If you have any other questions, you could simply email the support team of Zendrop through their email over here. You could email them through your Google or your Gmail account or through your mail over here. It's completely up to you on how you want to reach out to them if you're having some issues. There's also some guides over here, like this one. Or like if you're having other issues, they have questions, as you can see. I guess it's not working for me, but anyway, you could easily use all of Zendrop's different features by simply going to the Find Products and My Products. It's not really confusing to use. It's fairly easy to use, and I doubt people would have a confusing time using Zendrop. The more confusing version, or the more confusing part though, is the connecting Zendrop and Woocommerce together. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.